everyone, I'm back again with a new unboxing of OPPO's F17Pro, which was launched back again a few weeks ago, about 28th September to be exact. So let's unbox it and let's see what does it comes with in the box. So let's unbox it and see the box contents of it. Here are the description written on the box from the right side, from the left side, and from the front side, and this is what is written on the box. So let's unbox it. As you guys can see, OPPO branding right here. Let's unbox it, right? Let's unpack this. Here is the phone. Let's keep it aside for a moment. As you guys can see, there are other features written on it. So let's keep it aside for a moment and let's see the other box contents. Here is the charger, 30 watt book charger, book flash charge 4.0, of course, brand new technology. So let's keep it aside. Here is the cable, type A to type C cable to charge the phone. And here is the earphones. So these are the box contents. Other than that, there is a protective case and manual. So let's check that out. So that there is nothing else in the box. So let's keep it aside for a moment. Let's check out other contents. Here is the manual and warranty card. As you guys can see, it's the manual card. Here is the warranty card of it. It comes with a 1-year warranty card. So let's keep it aside. And this is the phone case that comes within the box. So let's keep this aside and let's see the phone directly now. So keeping things aside. Now let's take out the phone. So here's the phone wrapped in this plastic. It says 7.48mm ultra sleek body. OPPO says it's the slimmest they have made until now. It comes with 30 watt book flash charge 4.0, 6.43cm Super AMOLED display, and in-display fingerprint, that is 3rd generation 3.0. So let's unwrap it. Now let's check out the beauty of the phone. This is the front. This is the black. It's called Magic Blue color, and it's a 128GB variant. It has 8GB RAM in it and 128 storage. There are the ports: headphone jack, charging port, and microphone grill, speaker grill. That's it. Here are the power button. This is the power button. So let's boot it up. Let's turn it on. It's turning on. Let me give you guys the overview of this phone. So this is the back. They are calling it Magic Blue color. And this is the front. It comes with a hole punch camera module. One is primary sensor, another one is ultra wide sensor for group selfies. And that's it for the front. On the side there is volume icon on the left side. On the right there is the power button. And on the down there is charging port, headphone jack, and speaker grill, mic grill. And here is secondary mic grill. And that's it for the phone overview.